You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this chemical compound. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from science, medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Chitosan. Yes, it's usually pronounced with a Z sound, a Z sound. Chitosan. Stress on the first syllable. So yes, it's CH, but it's from Greek, therefore it's pronounced like a K. Chitosan. Now the Americans will say it as Chitosan with a flap T that sounds like a D, but that's a bit of a difference, but similar pronunciation. Chitosan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.